Hello! Today we're going to feed our winged woodland animals with DIY carton bird feeders. Let's get started.
For this craft, you'll need a carton painted white, along with several colors of paint, some paintbrushes, some chopsticks, a ruler, a pencil, an X-Acto knife, and a tapestry needle. You'll also need some jute or thick yarn, as well as some Mod Podge. With your X-Acto knife, cut out a 2" by 2" window on each side of the carton. Next, with your pencil, create designs to the best of your ability, noting an X on one side of the carton. Then, paint your carton. Allow your carton to dry, and then insert a chopstick to one side of the carton. This will be the perch. Add drainage holes at the bottom of the carton to allow water to drain out to prevent molding of the bird feed. Next, add jute by using your tapestry needle to poke a hole through the top of the carton. Cut any excess jute, tie a knot, and thread your knot through the opening. Lastly, using Mod Podge, paint a layer of Mod Podge on your carton. This will add some waterproofing to prevent running of the colors during a rainstorm. Hang your bird feeder in a visible location and admire all the little winged woodland animals that visit your bird feeder. Good luck!